Imagine you're tasked with organizing a 200-person tech meetup. On one side, you have the traditionalists. They'll tell you that planning an event of this scale demands a significant amount of manual work, often over several weeks, and a high tolerance for stress. For them, the endless, color-coded spreadsheets, the email chains that become unmanageable, the frantic phone calls chasing unresponsive vendors, and the chaotic inbox aren't just tools. They're an unavoidable part of the job, a challenging process you simply have to get through. For generations, this complex coordination has been the accepted, even celebrated path for event organizers, a mark of dedication earned through sheer effort and late nights.
On the other side, we have the automation-first perspective. This is where the discussion gets interesting. We aren't just talking about using a digital calendar or a basic form. We're talking about setting up intelligent systems that can handle venue scouting, RSVP tracking, and personalized attendee follow-ups. So here's the core question we need to explore. Is it actually possible for one person to orchestrate a significant event without the typical burnout? Or is the idea of an AI event coordinator just a bit of a fantasy that falls apart the moment a caterer cancels or a speaker gets stuck in traffic? When you look at why events actually fail, it's rarely about a lack of effort. It's usually a data problem.
The human brain isn't designed to easily cross-reference 200 individual dietary restrictions against a changing menu, while simultaneously checking if the AV team has the right hardware for a last-minute keynote. That's a processing error waiting to happen, and simply adding more manual labor often doesn't fix this fundamental flaw. We're going to examine these two approaches side by side. I'll break down the actual structure of an AI-driven system that doesn't just help you plan, but actively manages potential issues before they become real problems. We're looking beyond simple prompts and into workflows that anticipate challenges. By the end, we'll see if the traditional manual approach is still a necessity, or if it has become more of a hindrance. Let's start with the first major hurdle, the logistical complexities that usually drain an organizer's energy before the invitations are even sent. This logistical challenge, with its long list of tasks and intricate dependencies, where one minor slip-up can quickly grow into a bigger issue, is exactly where an automation-first mindset, powered by AI, starts to genuinely make a difference. We're not talking about simply automating email blasts here. That's just a basic step. We're talking about an intelligent system that analyzes the entire event ecosystem, understands how each part connects, and then proactively identifies and addresses potential issues before you even become aware of them. Take venue selection, for instance. Traditionally, you'd spend days, maybe weeks, calling venues, checking availability, comparing prices, reviewing floor plans, and trying to visualize how 200 people would fit comfortably. Manually balancing capacity, location, amenities, parking, and a dozen other variables. You send emails, you wait for replies, you build a spreadsheet, and you just hope you haven't missed anything crucial, like, say, a single restroom for 200 guests, or the fact that the venue's AC struggles in July. An AI event coordinator approaches this differently. You input your core requirements, guest count, preferred dates, budget, general vibe, maybe specific AV needs. The AI then doesn't just search for availability, it leverages vast data sets of historical event data, venue specifications, local regulations, and even real-time traffic patterns. It can analyze a venue's past performance for similar events, predict potential bottlenecks like inadequate parking for your guest demographic, or even flag that the venue's Wi-Fi might struggle under the strain of 200 connected devices, all based on solid data, not just a brochure. It might proactively suggest a shuttle service, or a secondary Wi-Fi hotspot, or even an alternative venue that, while slightly further out, offers a demonstrably smoother experience for your specific needs. Furthermore, it could model different seating arrangements and flow patterns within a chosen space, optimizing for both comfort and emergency exits, drawing on architectural blueprints and crowd dynamic simulations. This helps prevent problems before they even start. And consider guest management, which can often be a huge administrative challenge. Beyond just tracking RSVPs, imagine a system that dynamically adapts to guest input. If a significant percentage of your attendees indicate specific dietary needs, the AI doesn't just tally them. It cross-references this with local caterers, suggesting menus that not only meet those requirements, but also fit your budget and event theme.
It could even flag potential cross-contamination risks based on the proposed kitchen setup, offering alternative solutions before a single plate is ordered. Moreover, if a guest's travel plans change last minute, the system could automatically reevaluate their accommodation needs or suggest alternative transport options, ensuring a seamless experience even amidst unforeseen circumstances. It can even personalize communication, sending targeted updates based on individual preferences or registered interests. The real shift here isn't just about efficiency. It's about changing the organizer's role. Instead of constantly reacting to problems and getting bogged down in tiny details, you're free to focus on the bigger picture.
The AI handles the detailed logistics, giving you optimized choices, pointing out potential issues, and even suggesting creative enhancements you might not have considered. It's like having a highly capable assistant that manages all the complex data and tasks, allowing you to focus on strategy and the overall guest experience. But someone might ask, isn't this just sophisticated automation? What makes it AI? That's a valid point. The key difference is in its ability to predict and adapt. Basic automation follows fixed rules. If A, then B. Real AI, though, learns from patterns, draws conclusions, and can even foresee outcomes even with incomplete information. It doesn't just execute tasks, it understands the context and anticipates future possibilities.
It gets smarter with every event, every guest interaction, every vendor negotiation, constantly improving its models to be more proactive. This isn't just hypothetical anymore. The technology, the algorithms, the computing power, the data, it's all here. The real challenge, and the benefit, is bringing it all together into one smart, integrated system that doesn't just respond, but anticipates. It's about creating a setup where AI isn't just a helper, but a core part of the planning, helping ensure that when your event day comes, things run smoothly, and any surprises are positive ones. So an AI can certainly master the complex logistics, but what about the truly unpredictable elements? The human factor, for example, or those unexpected twists that even the smartest algorithm can't entirely foresee? How does AI truly perform when faced with these challenges? And where do its biggest limitations, or perhaps its greatest opportunities, really lie? It's precisely with those unpredictable elements, the human factor, the unexpected twists, that AI's true value emerges. This is where AI really makes a difference. It's not about eliminating them. Instead, it frees you, the organizer, to actually engage with them. Imagine being present enough to truly listen to a speaker's last-minute request, or to pivot creatively when a venue challenge arises, rather than being buried in checklists. The point isn't that AI replaces human ingenuity.
It's that by taking care of what's predictable, AI allows the human role to be more strategic, creative, and focused on genuine connection. This shift is really about changing how event coordination works, not just making it faster. Your energy shifts from getting lost in spreadsheets and constantly chasing RSVPs to actually building genuine connections, troubleshooting unique challenges, and adding those personal touches that only a human can bring. This could mean crafting personalized follow-ups, mediating a sensitive networking interaction, or even designing a spontaneous, delightful moment that makes an event truly memorable. An AI system handles the routine tasks, letting you focus on the bigger picture, designing the overall experience.
You're no longer just ticking boxes. You're curating an atmosphere, anticipating emotional responses, and ensuring every attendee feels valued. This means moving from reacting to problems to often addressing potential issues before they even become a real headache. Ultimately, an AI event coordinator does more than just help plan a 200-person meetup without stress. It allows organizers to really focus on the why and the who of an event, instead of getting caught up in all the how-to details. It empowers them to think about the impact, the message, and the lasting impression, turning logistical challenges into chances for innovation. It helps make the entire process not just efficient, but genuinely more engaging and enjoyable for everyone.
If you've ever felt overwhelmed by event planning details, or if you're curious about how these intelligent systems could change your workflow, then stay with us. For more practical insights into how AI is making a real difference in various fields, consider subscribing to AutoBiz AI. We're exploring this future, one smart solution at a time, and we'd love for you to join us.